Thanks. Not bad. That's pretty good looking. So that's the number 4. See, it looks pretty good. Way better than the last one. There's number 6. That's the best looking one of them all. Okay, there's number 8. That's alright. I mean, it don't look terrible for pump gas. I don't think it's fouled out, but it's not terrible. It's on the edge. So the number 2 was fouled, and then the rest of these look okay. So for sure that number 2, and that's probably the cylinder we were hearing. There's number 7. It's hot.
Yeah.
That's number 7. This one looks really, really good. That's number 5. That looks excellent. Timing marks just the edge of the porcelain, so not into the bend yet. We're about halfway there again. So seeing we're gapped a little higher on that one. I don't know if that just is a fluke, but that's like 28. So not really sure why that is, if it opened up on me a little bit, but in other words, I mean, it's pretty good. So all right, there's number 3. A little blacker. That's loaded up good. I'd say that's loaded up. Okay, we're down to the last one here. Let's see what we got. This is number 2. No, sorry, number 1. Number 1 looks okay. This looks like a decent plug. Okay, here we are. We're at Cordova, day 3. This morning we're going to go ahead. Obviously, you've already seen we're changing the plugs out. We're going to the same plugs, number 7. They loaded up a little bit yesterday. Still had a bad tune in the truck. And late last night at the hotel, I built a new tune on the Yeti or the Poly EFI. And so today we're going to change the plugs. We're going to change the oil. We're just going to dump the oil. I'm not going to do the filter. Oil looked pretty good. So just doing it as a precautionary, and then tighten up a few things. We did notice on the passenger side downpipe, the flange on the turbine housing was a little bit loose, so I think it may be sucking some air and messing with the air-fuel ratio. So we did notice that. We're going to fix that right away and put everything back together and make some same deal pump gas passes down the track. So thanks for watching.